How to fix the file not supported on CapCut. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the file not supported on CapCut. So to know how you can do that, watch this video till the very end. So there could be a few reasons why your MP4 file is not compatible with CapCut. So first, ensure that you have the latest version of CapCut installed on your PC. For that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store or the browser of your PC and search for CapCut again. If there is any update option available, then do update it, and if not, then the issue persists. It could be due to the unsupported codec or specific encoding used for MP4 file. You can try converting the MP4 file to a different format using a video converter tool, which you can find in any website of Google Chrome. You can just go on Google Chrome and tap for convert your video, and then you can convert it. Alternatively, you can also try updating your system software or contacting CapCut support team if the problem is not solved yet, which might solve your problem again. So that's the solution that you can use. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.